This presentation examines a 1997 study that investigated carbohydrate metabolism in healthy obese pregnant women. The study focuses on how insulin sensitivity changes throughout pregnancy and after delivery, potentially impacting gestational diabetes. The research seeks to understand the metabolic adaptations of obese pregnant women, leading to improved strategies for managing gestational diabetes. The study involved 6 healthy obese pregnant women monitored during the second and third trimesters and postpartum period. Researchers used the eulogymic peninsulamic clamp technique to assess insulin sensitivity, measuring key factors related to glucose metabolism.
Insulin stimulate glucose uptake significantly reduced during the third trimester in both obese and normal weight women. This reduction was less pronounced in obese women, suggesting a different impact of pregnancy insulin sensitivity based on pre-existing obesity. Further research is needed to investigate the underlying mechanism of this change in peripheral insulin sensitivity. Plasma insulin concentration increased during pregnancy, suggesting growing insulin demand for glucose homeostasis. Plasma glucose levels remain stable despite increasing insulin resistance. The study highlights the dynamic nature of carbohydrates metabolism during pregnancy.
Insulin suppression of endogenous glucose production was delayed and less complete in the third trimester, indicating hepatic insulin resistance. This finding highlights the unique metabolic changes faced by obese pregnant women. Further research is needed to investigate the specific mechanisms behind the development of hepatic insulin resistance. Carbohydrate oxidation rates change throughout pregnancy, with a decreased response to insulin evident in the third trimester. These changes are potentially linked to the increased glucose demand by the fetus during late pregnancy. Understanding these shifts in carbohydrates oxidation is crucial for managing metabolic health.
The observed metabolic changes during pregnancies may be physiological adaptation to support fetal growth, and the fetus exhibits a significant increase in glucose uptake during the third trimester, requiring metabolic adjustments for glucose availability. Managing maternal metabolic health during pregnancy is crucial for optimal fetal development. Further research is needed to understand the specific mechanism behind the observed changes in insulin sensitivity, exploring the role of gestational hormones in insulin resistance is crucial, and understanding these findings could lead to improved strategies for managing gestational diabetes.
The study provides key insight into carbohydrates metabolism in healthy, obese pregnant women. The findings highlight reduced peripheral insulin sensitivity and the development of hepatic insulin resistance during pregnancy. This research emphasized the importance of understanding metabolic adaptation in obese pregnant women to manage gestational diabetes and related conditions.